living longer and healthier lives. To live a long and healthy life, we need many different things. We need a clean environment and healthy, nutritious food. We also need good medical care. A long time back, humans did not understand diseases, and they did not know how to cure them. But today, due to tremendous progress made by medical science, we understand why diseases occur. Several methods of diagnosing diseases have been developed. Thousands of medicines are available. In this chapter, we will look at some major development in the field of medical science. The clinical thermometer. When we fall ill, our body becomes warmer. This is known as fever. We touch our forehead to find out if it is warm or not. But this does not give a correct idea the fever you have. So we measure the temperature of the body with the help of a clinical thermometer. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. It is measured in degrees Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. The clinical thermometer was invented by Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit. The stethoscope. When you are ill, you go to the doctor. The doctor examines your chest and back with a stethoscope. The doctor is able to listen to the sound of your heart and your breathing through the instrument. It helps him to find out what you are suffering from. The stethoscope was invented by a French scientist, René Laennec. Microscope. A microscope magnifies a tiny object and makes it look much larger. It helps us to see things which are too small to see with our naked eye. The first microscope was probably made by Zacharias Janssen in 1590. The microscope contributed a lot to the development of medicine. With its help, scientists were able to see for the first time the germs that caused diseases. It then became possible to find medicines that could cure diseases by killing those germs. Today, doctors examine the blood or urine of a patient under a microscope to see the germs. This helps them find out the disease the patient is suffering from. Machines that can look inside your body. Several new machines have been developed that can look inside your body and produce pictures of it. X-ray machines can take pictures of the inside of a person's body. Scanners produce pictures which show much more details than an X-ray photograph. The different types of scanners available are ultrasound, CAT, and MRI. With the help of these machines, doctors can see images of bones and internal organs and find out the disease a patient is suffering from. Surgery and anesthesia. Sometimes, to treat a defective organ in the body, it is necessary to cut open the body and operate on the organ. This is known as surgery. Surgery was very painful earlier. Now, doctor makes the patients unconscious before operating so that they do not feel the pain. Chloroform, one of the first drugs to be used as an anesthetic. The first operation using chloroform as an anesthetic was performed on 18th November 1847. Antibiotics. Bacteria are germs which spread several diseases such as tuberculosis, cholera, and typhoid. In 1820, Alexander Fleming discovered a drug called penicillin, which could prevent the growth of bacteria. Later, many drugs were discovered. They are called antibiotics. Vaccination. Medicines such as antibiotics cure diseases, but vaccines prevent diseases from occurring. Keeping healthy. Many diseases are also caused if we do not eat a proper diet. We can remain healthy by following simple rules. Eat good nutritious food. The body all nutrients it needs. Keep yourself and your surroundings clean. Keep your body clean by having bath with soap and water every day. Wash your hands with soap and water before and after eating. Garbage breeds germs and insects spread germs. Therefore, always keep garbage covered. Dispose it from time to time. Exercise regularly and it makes more capable of fighting diseases. When you feel unwell, go to a doctor.